Hey guys, welcome to my other video at Spicy C once again. Here today I would like to share with you another clothing or lots of variety of tops that I purchased from the normal apps as usual like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Misho and many more. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to stay tuned on my channel once you come to my channel. Also, I thank you for all those who have subscribed to my channel and all those who have posted in their queries and left in their thoughts. Nice meeting you guys once again. Welcome to my channel. So guys, I love to share with you. Here we go. This is the first top that I purchased from, it's a kurta kind of top that I purchased from Flipkart, and this is having a polka kind of kurta, so it has a tie up at the back, so it's a tight type kurta which I found a unique design. So this is a good to go kurta for any, it's a very light kurta, it has no lining inside. So this is a light wear that if you want to be very comfortable or casual for office wear, you can wear this kurta with your leggings or with your pajama pants, the one you like to go. So it's a polyester material. I really love the fine polka print on this, and it's a full sleeve length kind of top that gives this length a good look. You can wear this with your white or your black pants that you have. Also silver will match well. If you have a silver kind of, a shining kind of silver leggings, it will match this kurta very well. So this is the first top that I purchased from Flipkart. The second one that I purchased from Amazon is a jacket as winters are nearing. So this is a jacket that I purchased, and this is a unisex jacket both for boys and girls. So this is a different kind of jacket that I have purchased from Amazon. So it's a full length sleeve kind of jacket, and this is stretchy. It's a full tight stretch material. There's no print at the back. It's very thick and little heavy kind of material. I really love this jacket, and it's basically for winters. So it has a collar neck where you can style it up here. This is the string here, so you can set up your neck how you want to style your neck, and this keeps you warm and cool, but it's a very stretchy kind of tight thick jacket, cotton material. So this you can wear with your leggings or your black pants that you have, or even your white pants that you go. It looks good to go there. The third one that I would like to share with you is a kind of dress. So this is a kurta kind of dress that I purchased from Amazon itself. I really like the floral print of kurta, and it's a lightweight material. There is no lining inside, and this you can wear for your office wear or for your daily wear. I love the floral print. The color is a mustard kind of color which makes the flower look amazing, and the sleeveless top which gives the neckline a good feel, and the size is XL. This is how the back side looks like, and the front side is at the shape of the dress. I really love this color. My earrings will match this top very well. The earrings that I paired right now, I'm wearing right now, will match this top. It's a good to go pair. You can wear this as your formal wear. I'll show you how it looks. It's styled with a button printed in the front, and also a keyhole, a neck line with the keyhole that gives this kurta a good amazing look, and it's a nice one. So this is a good to go kurta for your daily wear. The next, last but not the least, this is also a short kurta that I purchased. It's a cotton stretchy material. I love the color in black. The amazing part is that it has got shine on it. I'll show it to you. And this is not having no lining, but it's a cotton stretchy material. So you can wear this during a winter, or you can wear this during a light summer wear, and it's a long stretchy kind of sleeves. It's a very long sleeve, so it's a full length sleeve that will even reach up to your hands. I'll show you the top. This is a polka kind of top with a butterfly kind of look at the bottom. It has got a good polka shine on it, that you can wear this as a formal wear, party wear, and it has a good design. Now the sleeves have a different kind of pattern. This is a stretchable kind of pattern. It has elastic on the sleeves, so you can style up the way you want. If you want to style it up to the top or make it your 3/4 sleeves, this is a good to go kurta that I purchased. You will get it on your daily online clothing shopping apps. I love the neckline and the feel of stretch cotton that makes you feel comfortable at any point of time. I'm really loving this material. This is how the back side looks like. It may look baggy, but when you wear it, this is an amazing top to go by, guys. You can match this with your white pants or your white leggings or your black leggings. Even red will go with matching these kind of outfits. I really love this style of feel. Last but not the least, one more to go. I purchased this kurta kind of dress, and this is a very beautiful dress. Now the reason I kept it this way because it has an inner lining. So this inner lining is short, but this is a short dress kind of kurta. I love the 3/4 sleeves and it's an amazing one. Now this is how the front side looks like, guys. I really love the feel of this kurta. Wow, this is an amazing piece, an amazing style. Now it has got a mauve color, like a maroonish purplish color, you can say, but the floral print on it is very light purplish color that gives this kurta dress a good one. Also, it has a short belt where you can tighten it up when you wear this. You can match this with your silver pant, white pant or black pant, any three of these colors, or you can match it with your dark purplish pant like a wine color. This is similar to that which will go well on this kurta dress kind of material. I really love the 3/4 sleeves, guys. This dress is an awesome one and good to go. I will also share with you when I wear this in one of my videos to see how it looks like. So you need to watch this in my next upcoming videos. I can wear it anytime. So guys, this is what I purchased from the daily apps, and I really love these clothing styles that are available for us every day in our daily wear. So guys, I hope you take care and always stay tuned on Spicy. Bye bye.